Okay, check this one out. (2014) ICP. Basically, it's a carrier. I missed this the other day. I put the inducer motor on, then they call back say they don't have any heat. Well, I didn't look far enough in there. There's a crack right back there in the faceplate. This is 60K. And then they got the thing out this morning. Heat exchanger is actually separating. This newer style carrier ICP. I don't expect to see this on carriers due to the fact is that's a stainless steel heat exchanger. ICPs have had history with stainless steel heat exchangers, and I think they're too hard because they don't expand and contract very well, as you can see. Look at that. All three of them. You know, just it's like a carrier. So some of the things to look for, even maybe on the new carriers too, but I've never seen that one before on the new carriers, and I think it's because of the metal they're using, the stainless, because that looks like a stainless steel. All right, guys, just something to look for.